In 1932, Australia lost a war to birds. Yes, this actually happened. Western Australia, November 1932. A drought forced nearly 20,000 emus to migrate. They invaded farms in the Campion district, destroying wheat fields and farmers' livelihoods. So the government did the unthinkable. They sent the army. Major Meredith led soldiers armed with Lewis machine guns. They had 10,000 rounds of ammunition, but the emus wouldn't cooperate. They ran too fast and spread out. The soldiers could barely hit them. The major later said the emus moved like tanks. By 10th December 1932, the army withdrew. The media declared the emus victorious. History's strangest war, humans versus nature.